you're drinking. Tell me what you're thinking. Give me what you're drinking. You and me, we got something special, baby. You and me, you and me. I can think this was never meant to happen. You and me, you and me. I can't help it. I can't help it. I can't help it. I can't help it, baby. Oh yeah, I can't help it. I can't help it, baby.
Morning. Welcome back
Welcome back.
to Florida Day
3.
3. Today we are going to Volcano Bay. It is 7:54 in the morning.
And
And
go through security.
we're gonna go through security.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait to see if it's worth your while. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me.
Give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me. Just watch me. Just watch me.
I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing oh, everybody's singing oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to wanna do. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. When I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk, I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk, I'm drunk on you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you.
So we are finished in Volcano Bay.
I know, but
This
can't remember.
see what time it is.
12 minutes past 12.
12 minutes past 12. We were literally outside at 8 o'clock.
And we've done everything, including the aqua coaster twice.
Yeah, we got on the big aqua coaster twice and went on everything else that we wanted to do as well, which was way better than the last time, because
So much better.
the last time that we went we only got on one slide and in that river rapids, but it's literally just because of the early entry that it was actually so dead.
Now it's so bad.
Yeah,
Queues done.
yeah, the queue times were really bad there when we were leaving, and there were still so many people walking into the park. It was so busy, wasn't it?
So bad.
Yeah. So we're on the way back now to our hotel. Oh
Had
yeah,
to get
sorry, we
another
got
one of these.
we got another refillable
I'm
mug.
gonna go to the parks today.
May as well. So we got a refill before we left. Yeah, so we're gonna go back to the hotel now, get changed and have a shower, and then go somewhere for food. First, neither of us have eaten yet, so we'll go somewhere for food and then go to the outlets.
Hello, you don't even know my name, but I am happy you came by. No lessons learned, of course you're gonna leave as soon as you came across who I am not. This party sucks, I'm out of luck, and no one seems to get me here. They talk about some other stuff that I don't even wanna hear. The crazy part is that I didn't feel this way before I got here. I wanna be somebody, hanging with somebody, Can I be somebody, dancing with somebody? I wanna be somebody, Goodbye. The truth is I didn't even find your company that good. My lessons learned. Maybe I don't have to be around these people anymore. This party sucks, I'm out of luck. I don't know why I'm being here. They talk about some silly stuff, they even don't know if it's real.
So nice.
Taste that, bro. So good.
So we just finished in IHOP. IHOP. It was so nice. I'm not joking. It's actually probably one of the best, maybe the best meal that I've had so far on this holiday, and it's open 24 hours.
That's a bold thing.
Yeah, no, that was actually so good. I'm so full now though. Are you?
Yeah.
So cool.
So I feel like I'm ready for bed on.
Yeah, we're just waiting for an Uber or Lyft now, and then we're gonna go to the outlets.
I
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my hair down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. My shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that